Is your Globe at Home internet completely stopped working? Or can't remember your admin password? In this video, I'll guide you step by step how to reset your Globe at Home router. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate Reset button. Find the small, recessed pinhole on the back of your Globe router. It's usually near the power port and Ethernet jacks, and is labeled Reset. Step 2. Get a thin tool. You'll need a paperclip, pin, or SIM ejector tool to press the button inside the hole. Step 3. Press Reset button. First, power on your Globe at Home router. Insert pin into reset hole and press and hold reset button for 10 seconds. Front panel lights will typically all turn off, then flash in a sequence. Indicate the reset process has started. The router will now reboot itself automatically. This final reboot can take 3 to 5 minutes. Be patient and do not unplug it. After reset, login router again with default login settings and setup again. A factory reset is a powerful fix. It solves many software-related issues by giving you a completely fresh start. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.